Today's video is a very easy and effective just 7 minutes a day inner thigh workout. Yes, my friends, you heard that right. Daily, 7 minutes is all I ask of your precious time to finally get those shapely, slim and trim legs. And now it's time to wear your favorite summer dress and look hard and happening. Once upon a time, I myself was very fat, and I was actually fat on my lower half of the body, and people used to call me jumbo thighs and thunder thighs. My one thigh used to be so big that everybody used to keep taunting and jeering at me, which really used to break my heart because I had nowhere to go. And I did try my best to lose weight, and I did try all the floor exercises, which were again very tough to do and completely monotonous. So as time passed by, I gave up very easily, and I started doing these very exercises. I enjoyed doing them, and they didn't even feel like exercises. They were so easy, so beginner friendly. Even with the thunder thighs, I could actually feel the tightening and toning in between my thighs. So if these very exercises came to my respite, I'm sure they are going to help you too. So come, let's do these exercises together and get the slim, toned and sexy legs, which I have finally achieved. But I'm on a mission to get you all into the slim, sexy and happening legs, so you can finally wear your favorite pair of jeans or be it your favorite dress. So let's begin with the very first gentle and easy exercise. All you have to do is try and lift your legs sideways, and the burn you will feel in your inner thighs is going to actually tighten and tone them. Now again, moving on with the next exercise, you just have to lift each leg as high as you can without bending your knees. And now let's tighten the inner thighs with a fabulous side lunge. All you have to do is face sideways like this, take a long stance and come forward. It's a very easy, effective and simple exercise. Now let's make a U with one leg at a time. You don't have to make a very big U, but just make sure it is a precise U, and that is where you will actually feel the burn in your inner thighs. Now the next exercise again is a very simple toe touch. Try and do your alternate toe touches to the best of your ability. Go at your own pace. You don't have to do it very fast, but just make sure you keep your spine straight at all times. And now let's do the squatting exercise with a pulse of 4 count. Come on, let's do it together.